Living on Fleming Island offers homeowners the charm of waterfront living, lush neighborhoods, and the best of Florida's natural beauty. However, the same subtropical climate that makes the area so desirable also brings challenges: high humidity, intense heat, heavy rains, and the threat of seasonal storms. Protecting your home starts at its most vulnerable points, and one of the most important upgrades you can make is investing in storm-resistant door installation. Why storm-resistant doors matter in Fleming Island. Doors are not just decorative features, they are essential to the safety, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home. In storm-prone areas like Fleming Island, regular doors often fall short when exposed to high winds or driving rain. Wind resistance. Strong storms can push against entryways, and poorly secured doors may buckle or blow inward. Flying debris. During hurricanes or tropical storms, objects carried by the wind can shatter or damage ordinary doors. Water intrusion. Weak seals allow water to seep inside, leading to costly repairs and mold issues. Storm-resistant doors are designed to withstand these conditions, making them an invaluable line of defense for your home. Features of storm-resistant doors. Storm-resistant doors use advanced materials and construction methods to provide reliable protection without sacrificing style. Impact-resistant cores. Reinforced fiberglass, steel, or wood doors feature high-density cores that resist dents and cracks. Laminated or tempered glass. For doors with windows, impact-rated glass stays intact even when struck by debris. Weather stripping and seals. Proper insulation prevents wind-driven rain from entering your home. Heavy-duty frames and hardware. Frames are reinforced, and hinges and locks are built to hold firm under pressure. These elements work together to create a door that can handle Florida's unpredictable weather. Benefits beyond storm protection. While the primary goal of storm-resistant doors is safety, they also provide everyday advantages that improve your lifestyle. Energy efficiency. Insulated cores and tight seals help maintain cool indoor temperatures, reducing reliance on air conditioning during hot summers. Noise reduction. Thicker materials and secure seals block out outdoor noise, creating a quieter home environment. Security. Stronger construction makes it harder for intruders to force entry, adding year-round peace of mind. Curb appeal. Available in a wide range of styles, storm-resistant doors enhance the look of your Fleming Island residence. This combination of function and design makes storm-resistant doors a smart investment. The importance of professional installation. Even the highest quality door won't perform properly if it isn't installed correctly. Professional installation ensures your storm-resistant door is fitted with precision. Custom measurements. Professionals take exact measurements to ensure your door fits snugly in its frame. Secure anchoring. Installers use reinforced fasteners and frames to maximize resistance against wind pressure. Proper sealing. Expert application of weather stripping and caulking keeps water and drafts outside where they belong. Code compliance. Licensed professionals ensure your installation meets Florida's building standards for storm protection. Professional installation provides peace of mind, knowing your door will function as intended when it matters most. Choosing the right storm-resistant door for your home. Not all storm-resistant doors are the same. Your choice should reflect your needs and personal style. Entry doors. A reinforced front door provides the first line of defense and enhances curb appeal. Patio doors. Sliding or French doors with impact-resistant glass allow you to enjoy views while staying protected. Garage side doors. Often overlooked, side entry doors benefit from added strength and security. With plenty of options available, you don't have to sacrifice beauty for durability. Final thoughts. For Fleming Island homeowners, investing in storm-resistant door installation is more than a home improvement. It's a commitment to safety, comfort, and long-term value. By withstanding high winds, flying debris, and heavy rains, these doors help protect your family and property during Florida's storm season while offering daily benefits like energy savings, noise reduction, and enhanced security. Paired with professional installation, a storm-resistant door gives you confidence and peace of mind, knowing your home is ready for whatever nature brings.